Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to enable macros in your Microsoft Excel. So, let's say for example, you've made some style. Let's for example get some text. So, let me just get it real quick. I will go here and I will copy this. So, I will paste it over here. All right, and I will type something in here. Now, for example, you wanted to have this style that you can apply to anything you have in your Excel sheet whenever you'd like. That's where macro comes. So, for example, let's go now and select this text, go to review, not review, let me just check to view, and from here, go to macros. Go here and click on record macro, and let's name it style 1. Click on OK. Wait, let me just add this. Click on OK now. That starts with letter underscore. Okay. Wait, let me just fix this real quick. Macro. Okay, now it works. Now, as you can see, now it is recording. So anything I do to this text, it will be recorded. Now let's make, for example, the font something like that. Let me just add the colors as well. So I will make it blue. Let me add the background behind it. Make it, for example, all bordered, and I make it in the center. I can make it, for example, angle clock somewhere like that, and so go on. So now what I'm going to do is go back to view, go to macros and stop recording. Now if I want to this, I want to macros and view macros, choose this one, click on run. It will be applied to it as well. So as you can see, here it is, and it has been applied to it. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually enable macro on your Excel sheets. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.